So, good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss about adding the graphics and working with the templates in a document. So, adding the graphics and working with the templates. Now, let us see how we can do this particular thing. Okay, how we can make this particular thing and how we can work on this particular way of making the particular graphics, and we can make it in a particular format. Okay, so those the graphics, what we say, there are the different type of graphics that we find that we can use. Now where you will go for this particular purpose? You will go to the insert. See here, we will go to the insert. In this particular insert, you see there are so many graphic options are available. So one by one, all the graphic options what are there, that I will going to show to you. That suppose you want to insert a picture. So if you click on it and see here, device, from device online, I am taking from online. Okay, as I am taking it from online, so what is it? Please wait, you are signing to your account. Okay, so it is connecting with my online connectivity system, and it is finding those pictures from there. Okay, so as it is processing, what we see it, that it will going to process. Say when it will do, Bing will be there to show you. That means Bing will going to help you out to find out the pictures. So here you see there are the different topics are being given. Based on these different topics, there are a lot of pictures are there. So if you are not satisfied with this, you want other different pictures. Okay, other different picture that you want to give, so you can give that. Like suppose I am writing here, okay, so as I have written this, what you see here, then enter. That means you will find it the picture related to that. Okay, okay, now picture related to that will going to come here. See, so many different pictures are there which are there in this particular area, isn't it? So you can take any of the picture whichever you think that you like the thing for your work. So those the particular thing what you find. Suppose you are taking this image. So as you are inserting this particular image, you see it that particular image is now downloading. Okay, after the image will download, then image will be shown here. See, the image is here, isn't it? Now this the particular area what you can find this that who has taken the photos and all. You can delete that particular area, and you can delete those particular section. Okay, so these particular sections can be deleted. See here, this is the picture that has been taken for, and I am minimizing little bit this picture so that it can be visualized properly. So see, this is the picture, and in this picture now you find it, as I have selected the picture, see, picture tool format automatically became activated. If you click on the format option, as soon as you click on the format option, you can find there are the lot of formatting options are there. First and foremost, picture style. So what is the picture style you want to give? See here, there are the different pattern of picture styles are there, different patterns of borders that you can implement here. Okay, whichever the border you find that you implement, and you find it that is suitable for you, you can implement that particular pattern. Suppose I am implementing here this one, or I am implementing here this one. So as I am implementing this one, now I need to give a color of it. Okay, border color, where to give? See, picture border. From here you can see there are so many different patterns of colors are available. Okay, which are the colors? If you want a more color, then you can go for the more color option. There you see so many color options is there available, either from the standard, either from the customized. Okay, so you can implement it if you give okay. See, the color has been implemented here. Picture effect, if you want to give any effect of the picture, see there are the different type of effects are there. See what are the different effect you want to give. You can give, if you want to give a glowing effect, so many glowing effects are there, isn't it? Different types of glowing effects are there, so any pattern of glowing effects you can implement it. See, I have implemented this particular glowing effect in the picture. So picture layout, what is a picture layout? That see here, when you do the work, at that time you require it. Okay, it is processing now. See, if you give a picture layout, those the design will be the not there. Okay, if you give a picture layout, the design will not be there. So whatever the layout you required as per your requirement, that you can give. So this is one part. So from where you will going to find it? From a picture style. Okay, and in this particular thing, if you come here, see here a small button is there. In this particular button, if you click on this button, you can find here that there are the different type of effects will going to come. Okay, 3D effect, 3D format effect. If you want to give a 3D format effect, see here different pattern of 3D format effect is there. Okay, so those the 3D format effect, if you click on here, you see here this particular 3D format effect, what is there? Whichever the 3D format effect you want to give, you can give any of the 3D format effect. Okay, so this is the thing that can be given by you. If you don't want, you can skip it out. Okay, you can close it, close that particular effect pattern. You can close this particular effect, the effect will not be. Okay, now suppose this particular area you are writing something. Okay, you are writing something. Suppose I am writing here, okay, I am writing here, suppose so this is the thing what you can find it. If you select all this particular thing, okay, then there will be the effect you find it in the, as you select the picture, as you click on the picture, select it, you go to the format option, you find here one thing, there is a text wrapping the text. If you have a text, you can wrap this with the text what is there, that I'll show you afterwards, that how can you with another picture I will show you, isn't it? Now what another thing that I will going to show you is the different color effects. See here the color effects are there, different type of color effects is there. So which pattern of color effects you want to give, you can easily give that particular color effect on it. See here, as you want to give the color effect in the picture, all the color effect will be there, isn't it? Different type of color effect. Next what I am not implying it, next here the contrast effect. What pattern of contrast? Too much white, too much this particular color, or some blackish form, isn't it? What pattern of brightness you want to give. Then background is there, this particular background is there. If you want to implement the background, see, background can be implemented. If you don't want, then you can just quit out from here. See, the thing is there, isn't it? So this is one way that you can find it, that you will going to have this particular type of structures, and you can work it. Now I am bringing another thing. What is the thing? That I am bringing the shapes here. Okay, different type of shapes. See here, there are so many shapes are there available. If you click on the insert, there will be different type of shapes. Okay, so in the picture also, in the shapes also, suppose I am taking this particular shape. Okay, suppose this is the shape. Now as I have given the shape, you can see here the drawing tool will open. Previously which tool has opened? Picture tool. Now the drawing tool is open. In the drawing tool there are the different pattern of formats are available. If you want to write inside it, you can also write it. See, writing options are available is there. Suppose I am writing here. Okay, so those the things what you can find. Now you can fill it. Okay, this particular thing what I am giving the outline color. Outline color, suppose I want to give it red. Okay, now filling color, suppose filling color I want to give it yellow. Okay, then this the writing color, you can select the writing and writing pattern, you can select it from here. See here, different type of writing is there, different styles of writing is there. Okay, if you make this one bigger, okay, if you make this thing bigger, see here. Okay, now I am writing here something, that suppose okay, style I am giving here, suppose no spacing, this one I am giving. So I am writing here sun, LIGHT, light, is REQUIRED, required for EVERY, every ONE1. So when I have written this one, suppose this particular write up, okay, this particular write up, what we do it now, this particular, as I am clicking this one, we can see that wrapping of the text will going to come. So as we wrap the thing, we can find it that thing will be worked. Okay, okay, so this is the thing that we can see, that when we have this particular pattern of structures, this particular pattern of structures, what we find, suppose I am taking it here. Okay, now what I will going to go to the format options. As we go to the format options, see text wrapping. Now see here, through, tilt, isn't it, squared, online, in the below, at the top and bottom, isn't it? So here behind the text, in front of the text. So any pattern of writing, suppose I am giving here behind the text, see, any pattern of write up you can give. In the case of picture also you can implement this particular thing. Okay, so when you are implementing the picture, at the part of time that you are implementing the picture, there you can find that you can give this particular thing. Now I will going to the insert again. From this insert, what has, this is the shape we have implemented as per your requirement. You can implement the shapes. Now 3D models, you see here, what is the 3D models is there, from this device, stock models. So I am going to the stock models, that means what are the stock is available there, isn't it? This also been sponsored by the things. Now what the thing that we need to do, which the picture you need to bring, isn't it? Suppose biology I am taking. As I am taking the biology, in this particular biology we have a different picture. Suppose I am taking this picture. This is nowadays very common and very popular, insert, isn't it? So as I have given it, say it is taking a time, after it will going to take a time, those the picture will going to inserted here, isn't it? See, this particular picture is inserted here. Now how you want to 3D, means 3-dimensional, you can move it anyway. See as I am moving it, you can see you can move it in any order, in any manner, in any form or any way. You can keep those particular picture. You know it, what is this? This is a coronavirus, isn't it? So these are the different type of shapes are there, different patterns of shapes. You can implement it from here also. See here, all the different way you can show it, isn't it? So if you write here something that you can wrap, see here, text, wrapping the text is there, position of the text is there, all the designing part, what I have shown you just now, all are available there and all you can implement here. Okay, so this is how you can do this particular thing. Next the part, so this is what is about your different type of image implementation of different pattern of drawing objects, different type of other objects. Now the templates. Templates means what? Where are you going to find the templates? If you go to the file, Okay, in the file option, what you find it, see here, there are the pre-formatted templates are there. If you click on here, you can see here so many templates option are there. That means why we required all this template option. You can see that those the template option as per your making different pattern of presentation or different type of thing. You can use those template. That means from where we are going there, and in this, that means where from this area you are going to the file, and when you are going to the file, this particular page will open in front of you. When this particular page will open in front of you, by default in the this version of Windows, you will going to have a more templates, isn't it? If you click on more templates, you can find the different pattern of templates. If you want to search any specific templates, then you can search it. Okay, different type of templates, if you want any specific pattern of templates, if you want, that you can do, and you can search it. Okay, so this is how you can also implement the templates, and you can work with the templates. Okay. So this is the pattern. You can see here I am not selecting any templates at this moment. Suppose I am searching about science. So if I am searching about a science, if any templates, see here it is writing searching thousands of online templates. If any online templates are available based on this science, obviously it will going to show you. See, based on science, they has got at this moment the 3 different pattern of templates. Okay, so those the 3 different pattern of templates what are there, you can work on it if you work. So at this moment I am not giving any templates, I am returning back to the page. So this is the 3D model. Any other different type of 3D models if you need to insert. Okay, suppose you need to insert any other different pattern of 3D models. Then same in the insert, see here 3D models, smart art system is also there. See here smart art system, isn't it? So if you are designing any graph, suppose cycle, hierarchical cycles, whatever it is, suppose you want to do this hierarchical cycle, suppose you want to take this particular hierarchical cycle, as you are taking this particular hierarchical cycle, okay, so as you give it, see it came. Now as it came, when you select anything, okay, see here different type of options are there. You can write here, suppose you are writing what, grandfather. So see here, sorry, spelling mistake, grandfather. So this particular thing, when you have written, you can give the effect of it, the color effect that you need to give, isn't it? The different type of effects. See here, design, then format. Go to the format directly. As you go to the format, in the format option, as you open anything, default at the top you will see that particular tool will going to open. So this is what smart art tool. So suppose I am implementing this one, or if I want to implement another thing, that also I can implement. Okay, I can implement in another whatever the style I required, whatever the outline I required, that also I can give here, isn't it? See here, if I want to fill it with this color, if you want to fill it with this color, isn't it? Outline shape, if you required of the outline shape that to be given, that also outline shape you can give to it. Okay, I am giving red so that it can be prominent, you can see it. So all this particular type of effect what you required, what you need to designing for it, all this thing you can give it. So this is how you can design those different type of templates that is required, those all the different type of work based on this what, insert menu. So I am showing you again the insert menu. What you have, table I will going to come afterwards. So what you have, illustration group, picture, shapes, icons, 3D models, smart art, charts is also there. If you want to give, see, chart is also there. So all these things are there, and as soon as you want to give it, that will going to activate. And header footer you have done in class 9, so I am not showing this header footer and page number, that has been done by you in class 9, isn't it? So this is the section what you can find that you are having it, and you can implement it. Okay, so here I am ending my today's session. Thank you all.